Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
At WatchWire News, we've got some exciting news for Apple Watch fans, with watchOS 12 on the horizon. Now's the perfect time to dive into some of our favorite tips and tricks for making the most out of your smartwatch. First up, let's talk about walkie-talkies. You might have forgotten about this feature, but trust me, it's one of the best. Once you've got your friends on board with Apple Watch models, you can use it to ring them anytime. It's handy and convenient and perfect for some use cases. Just think about being able to catch up with friends quickly and easily, no need for texts or phone calls. Now, have you ever lost your iPhone? With an Apple Watch Series 9 or Apple Watch Ultra 2 or newer, you can locate it using Precision Find. Tap the side button, then tap the button again to buzz your phone. If it's in range, its location will appear on your watch. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever misplaced their device. At WatchWire News, we're always looking at how we can improve our daily lives with tech, and Apple Watch is no exception. With the Vitals app on watchOS 11, you can better understand your daily health status. Training Load shows you how to tackle exercising every day based on your health metrics, while pause options mean you can take a break without losing your streak. And speaking of fitness, have you tried customizing your activity ring goals? With watchOS 11, you can change them daily, and if you just want to take a break but don't want to lose your streak, you can pause your rings for the day or the week. It's a great way to stay on top of your fitness goals without feeling too much pressure. Now, when it comes to sleep, we all know how important it is, and Apple Watch has got some amazing tools to help you get better rest. With the Sleep app, you can create sleep schedules to meet your sleep goals and even track your naps automatically. It won't be as accurate as Sleep Focus, but sometimes a quick snooze can really make a difference. At WatchWire News, we're always looking for new ways to make tech work better for us, and Apple Watch mirroring is one feature that definitely fits the bill. If your display is cracked or unresponsive, this feature lets you take control using your iPhone Settings app. It's a lifesaver if you've got a damaged screen. But what about listening to music on the go? With the Apple Watch Series 10 and Ultra 2, you can use it without earbuds. Just tap the speaker button to listen to your favorite podcasts or playlists out loud. It's a great way to multitask while still getting some tunes in. Now, if you've got an Apple TV, you might be wondering if there's a way to control it from your watch too. At WatchWire News, we're always on the lookout for new ways to integrate our devices, and this feature is a game changer. Just look for the app with a blue background and white Play icon, select your Apple TV, and you can start controlling it right away. And finally, have you ever wanted to share contact info quickly? With Name Drop from iPhone to Apple Watch, you can do just that. Simply approach another user, and you'll be able to see their contact information. It's a clever feature that's sure to come in handy. So there you have it, 12 tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Apple Watch. Whether you're looking to stay healthy, productive, or entertained on the go, watchOS 12 can't come soon enough at WatchWire News.